Guys, it is November 19th, 2021. I got a call from a lady. Her mother called me and then wanted to know if I could do a job for her daughter. Then the daughter called me back, and I guess she's got like 2 or 3 zones in the house and none of them are working. She's changed all the batteries in the thermostat. Nothing seems to be working. I guess it's a gas boiler. So I'm going over there now and see if I can figure out what's going on for this lady. Another damsel in distress.
At the end of the street, turn right.
Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Another damsel in distress. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can help the lady out.
Old County Road.
They usually always say, oh, they got a whole bunch of kids and they can't be without heat, and you know, they could be a sad story. I got 20 handicapped kids here and I can't be without heat, or my grandmother's 120 and I need my heat fixed right away. Grandmother's 155 and she gets cold very easily. Gotta get my heat fixed like instantly. So everybody tells me, you know. Grandmother's 150 or 128, you know, and they need the heat. Miss Molly, you need the heat. You're from Mexico. Yeah, Miss Molly. You love the heat. Yeah, I know you. You're from Mexico, Miss Molly. Chihuahua lady. Yeah, you're from Mexico, Miss Molly. Yeah. Miss Molly loves the heat. Don't seem like anything's on here.
No. So it was working before. We had it for it worked when we came there. It recently stopped working.
There's these circulators. Well, that one's calling.
Like when we turn on
It's not calling for heat.
Like when we turn it on, we could hear it kick on, but nothing else.
All right, so you got all the thermostats turned off upstairs?
Yep.
Go turn them all up.
Okay.
Turn all.
Wait up.
Turn all the well, high enough so it's gonna run. You know.
Okay.
So if it's 70 in there, put them to 75.
Okay.
5 degrees warmer. Probably just a pilot. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, Birmingham. Whole weekend. Yeah, the pilot's out. That looks like a brand new one. Left here, I'm just going to put that in there and that'll probably be a fix. Hopefully. No work for you? Well, you all part of the clan over here.
Yeah. I'm basically like an babysitter / I help them out a lot with it.
Whatever it needs.
Yeah, so they have, so right now since you're here doing this, I have to wait for one more kid while she gets another one. And she's gonna get the little one upstairs. So 2 of them in school, so 1 doesn't come yet. So I usually stay here, wait for him while she leaves to go get the other one.
Yeah, burners don't look too bad. Yeah, that's the thermocouple. She's cooked.
Is it bad? Or?
Looks pretty cooked to me. Well, I'll just replace it. I mean, I'll put another one in.
Oh, it's just that one. Okay.
See how it's all cooked?
Yeah.
The other one you got doesn't have an adapter for it, so I can find it. So I'm gonna have to sell you another one because it doesn't have the carrier for it, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to sell him another thermocouple because I need this part here. Fortunately. Oh well. Burners don't look dirty. Really? Oh, pretty clean. Yeah. Burners are clean. That's not the issue. That's what we need. She's loose as a goose, Mama. Oh man, she's loose as a goose, Mama. She's loose as a goose. Alright, put that back in. Put that back in there. There's a little clip that goes in there. Get that clip back on there. A little clip. It's a nice little unit, basic, you know, doesn't even have rollout switches on it. Back in the day when everything was simple. Now it's a flipping joke. Keep it simple, that's my motto. Make shit easy to work on, right? But no. Everybody's gonna be a flippin', try to reinvent the wheel. Everybody's gonna reinvent the wheel. Oh yeah, look at that flame on that thing. I could turn that down. See how high that flame is? See how high that flame is? That's why it got cooked. Right here, there's an adjustment on it. You can adjust it down. You don't want to adjust it down too much, but you can adjust it down for a little less. See how flipping high that is? That's crazy. I'm gonna turn that thing in if I can. I'm gonna turn it in. See how I could adjust it? I could adjust it way down if I want. You want to get enough on the thermocouple, but you don't want to cook it either. You know, like that's better. See this? It comes on both sides and it hits the thermocouple. You can see it just cooked the shit out of it because it was too high. That's better there. Let's see if I release it, if it stays on. Alright, I'm going to release. Alright, staying on. So usually right where this comes out, there's one of these where you could adjust the pilot. And they'll have like a little screw head like this you have to take out. Usually right in line where the pilot goes out, there's an adjustment for it. Alright, I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the gas valve on and she should fire right up. Houston, we have ignition. That's a slow opening valve. See how it opens slowly? Makes a big difference when you got this cover on, as far as, you know, the flame pattern and whatnot. Has to run with this cover on there, because if not, it'll be bringing in too much air. That's all it was. Needed a little thermocouple. Simple, easy fix for the chick. The damsel in distress. Alright, so new thermocoupler, reset pilot flame. The pilot flame was too high and it just cooked it. They only last so long. I mean, you get a couple of 3 years out of them, you're doing good. The new boilers have to be electronic spark. They can't be pilot anymore. The new laws are, the new boilers have to be electronic spark. No more pilots. This is almost calm. You can see this is out. That one's calm. That one's calm. That one's calm too. It's got 3 circulators here, 3 zones. Just want to make sure they all come back warm before I leave. This one's coming back warm. This one's coming back warm. The new boilers have to be electronic spark.